Welcome to Convac Asia 2024. Here is the Nanxiang air compressor factory. We are from China. The main products we provide include screw air compressor, piston air compressor, oil-free air compressor, services related to air compressors, nitrogen generator, oxygen generator. Nanxiang air compressor is well known for its excellent quality and advanced technology. Our products cannot only meet your air compression needs, but also create excellent energy benefits for you. Our air compressors use advanced energy-saving technology to minimize energy consumption, reduce operating costs, and bring considerable economic benefits to your business.